Let's look at the energy trade, and we're going to look at Chevron Corporation, CVX, but you can look at Exxon, you can look at the XLE, the ETF, and they all have the same chart. I'm assuming some of the other energy names also do. So this is a daily, and you can see that here's the high, 189.68. Okay? Now, just looking at the chart, you see that this line, this moving average, is the 34-day exponential moving average, EMA, and this has provided support. And the truth is, I've looked at the lower time frame charts, and it looks like the daily chart is the one that's most accurate. So these support levels are being respected, especially this 34. Now, this pattern here, let's zoom out a bit, this looks like it could be what we call a head and shoulders, okay? So a head and shoulders, which is a reversal pattern. So the stock made a move higher, and now we've got the left shoulder, we've got the head, and we've got the right shoulder. Now, if CVX can break below this moving average, the 34, which currently is around 176.93, let's say 177. Let's say 177 to make an average. It's a little bit above maybe 177.14, or let's just say 177. Then it could move down to this next moving average, which is the 89, which has acted as support in the past. And the 89 is at 167.42. So you've got from 177 to 167. That's a 10-point move. Now, we need to look at the macro situation, and that is that China lockdowns are causing a lot of stress about the lessening of demand. True, the war is still going on in Ukraine, and winter is coming. So those are tailwinds. Now, the key to this is going to be the OPEC meeting, which is December 4th. And if OPEC decides to cut production, then this could go higher, make new highs. If they decide to increase production for some reason, or if something else happens during the week, or if the S&P crashes because of something related to the Fed, then this probably is going to be going down. So, I mean, if you wanted to take the trade, I personally am going to be waiting and watching to see what happens here. What happens with the support level of 177. You could, if you got into you see in pre-market, this is already going up to 180, which is around this level here. And you see there's a big volume area here, which could act as resistance. So if you wanted to take it short here, you'd have to put a stop above this at about 183, let's say. Or you could just wait and see what happens, if it breaks the support or not. And you could do the same trade on XOM, XLE. It's basically the same chart.